there, it's Francesca here from Avantage Reply, and I'm part of the Titanium team, the replayer team behind the Reply Investment Challenge.
Hello everyone, it's Ilaria here from Avantage Reply 2, and I'm part of the Titanium team with Francesca.
This is one of our series on everything you need to know about this challenge, which is focused on sustainability. Let's get started. If you are watching this video, you are probably taking part in the Sustainable Investment Challenge 2022, but if you are just curious, you are also in the right place. And in case you didn't know, the Sustainable Investment Challenge 2022 is organized by Reply in collaboration with Main Street Partners, MIP, and CFA Society Italy. And the event is sponsored by Banca Generali. The key tool for this online event is the trading platform, where you can practice trading in a simulated environment. So you will need to get as familiar and confident as possible with all the features the platform offers you. The first thing is to log into the platform by clicking the wallet button on your challenge page. Once you are on the home page, you will see four main sections: Dashboard, My Portfolio, Trading, and Quotes. Let's start with the dashboard. Here you can find all your portfolio information and your investment preferences summarized. In particular, you can see an overview of the monetary values and market positions. You can customize the watch list based on your interests and collect details on the market trends through the Market Snapshot section. Pay attention because this ranks traders by how much they have gained or lost and can help you select the right financial instruments to trade. Right, let's jump to the My Portfolio section. Here you can access information on your investment portfolio. Specifically, you can find details about open positions adjusted to different time periods, modify the assets composition through the Trade button, export all the information and graphs to Excel, and view information based on different variables: asset class, industry, market cap, and symbols. Remember, while the platform executes US trades in real time with ask prices, there is a 15-minute delay. The price paid will appear within 15 minutes of execution. In this section, you can also find details about your closed positions. These are securities you bought then sold and are no longer in your portfolio. You can also view your profit and loss by selecting a symbol. Remember, the platform uses the first in, first out account method, so the dividends received and interest earned are not shown in this report. You can also view your transaction history. In this subsection, you can choose the types of executed transactions and the data range you are interested in. Remember, if you want to be sure to have all the information to perform your evaluations in the final round of the challenge, make as many notes and comments as possible. Now, let's move to the Graph My Portfolio section. Here you can compare your portfolio's overall performance with a reference you can choose through the field in the top right. But remember, if you want portfolio values for each of the last 90 days, you have to click on the Historical Portfolio Values link. Now, let's see how you can build your investment portfolio.
First thing, let's see how you can make a trade. To make a trade, go to the Trading section and select the type of security you want to trade from a drop-down menu. As you can see, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and bonds. If you want to refresh your basic knowledge or go deeper into this kind of financial instrument, click on this card in the Learning section. If you're confident you already know, go to this other card in the Learning section. To help you navigate the platform easily, here are a few tips. If you click on Stocks ETF because you want to trade them but you don't know what the difference is between the order types, click on this question mark. A video will open explaining the difference. The same thing here. If you want to trade options, but you don't know what the difference is between simple and spread option, go to the video you can see on the right of your desktop. A video will briefly explain the difference. If you are wondering if you can day trade, yes you can. However, we suggest you have a look at the expert recommendation in FAQs. You can find these in how to use the trading platform of the Reply Investment Challenge website. Another important thing, if you are busy during the week, don't worry. You can think about your strategy at the weekend and even place orders, because they will be executed at next market opens. In quote section, you can see market indicators and detailed quotes. Market indicators include market summary, market movers, top performing ETFs, and so on. In the market summary, you have an overview of market summary, market news today, measure North America indices, and so on. You can see the information in ascending or descending order. If you don't know whether to buy, hold, or sell a security, go to the analyst rating in the basic research section. You can set up your research by name or by symbol and do an advanced lookup. You will find the analyst recommendations and a graph representing the recommendation history about the security you are interested in. You can do an advanced research for each security and find out much more useful information such as key ratios, share performance, and earnings.
Okay guys, that's all for this episode. We hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. For further questions or doubts, you can write to challenges@reply.com. If you haven't done it yet, register for the Investment Challenge 2022, have fun, and see you at the next episode.